Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
See?
Welcome back.
See? I want me to do it himself, man.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, joining us today is an icon in dancehall. Now, she's put on the very first dancehall road march. And I would also say she was the first ever dancehall queen. And that's very, very, very easy to ascertain who this person is. This is dancehall queen Carlene. Welcome to Daytime Live.
My first time in Daytime Live. I don't know why. It took my road march to get me here, but...
No, man, a
You're
long
here.
time. We have to get ready for it. You know what I'm saying?
You're
So firstly, I want to say congratulations.
Thank you
I've
very
always asked myself, like, where the dancehall? You know, we have the carnival. Like, where's our dancehall equivalent? So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And such an awesome initiative. Big up yourself.
Thank you.
So Dancehall Rose March, however, it was delayed for a year, but
3 years.
For 3 years.
So it was 2020 we launched
Right.
to be done in the July. So we launched in February 2020. COVID came where the country was locked down
Right.
March 10th.
Right.
And so it was,
delayed
on...
for 3 years.
No, it was actually delayed till... So my sister Pinky got sick.
Right.
So we said, all right, let me take care of her. Pause. Then she died. So it was like, all right, we'll do it for 2024 properly.
Right.
But got word that my idea was going to be stolen or borrowed. And I couldn't afford that.
Okay, so it took place on Boxing Day.
This year, the 23rd of...
Give us, I have my own ideas. I know Dufton have his ideas as well. Why did you and your sister, like you said, decide to come up with
Whirlwind
this
Entertainment,
product?
Mr. Michael Dawson. I have always defended and represent dancehall and dancehall only. It's not in my DNA, but I adopted it.
Yeah.
And I'm always setting trend. I'm always coming with things that's never been done. I'm always thinking out of the box. Mr. Michael Dawson from Whirlwind worse. So together we knew what we wanted, we planned what we wanted, and we tried to execute what we wanted.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we weren't allowed because dancehall has a bad rapport. Like, really? They said, let's see how the first one goes. Let's see how the first one goes, and then we will accommodate what's to come.
Yeah.
So we weren't permitted to just have an open march. Hence, we had to cut back on our promotion. We really didn't have time either, but it could have gone another way. But for the hypocrites out there,
Tell them.
okay? I
Tell
was
them.
on TVJ, I was on Prime E-Time, I was on Intense, I was on everything, right? You guys waited until it went viral to want to jump on that you didn't know. So what are you saying, TVJ is not good enough? My page is not good enough? We had 80% foreigners. They reached out to me from seeing the TVJ ads and all the other ads. They reached out to me and said, listen, we're gonna book our tickets around the time.
And fly over your feet.
We had people from Greece, Italy, Germany, Finland,
Japan.
And there was my friends from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Let's talk about, the things that worked.
Everything worked.
Tell us about there's some of the communities that were involved, some of the dancehall communities that contributed to this.
So we had Shelly Belly, which went viral.
Did Shelly Belly bring back the bicycle?
Yes.
Okay.
He had to walk back with it.
Okay.
Because it was
Latanya
Styles.
She had to walk back.
Latte!
Yes. Oh God, Latanya, boy, our back cut up.
Right.
Because the bicycle, it wasn't planned. It was just who Shelly Belly is, how dancehall is. We're happy people.
When
we're
Mr.
fun
Shelly Belly
people.
come close, me run.
Was it the police? I watched us go down the road like, all right.
No, they all ran out to like...
Shelly Belly.
We had Shelly Belly, we had Latanya, we had Mad Michelle, we had Statius, we had Beanie Man and Camille. Yes. We had Orville Expression and Shelly Expression. We had Boise. We had Matahan, we had Statius. Trust me, it was all awesome. Who was there was deserving to be there.
Yeah.
And we had a ball. Mr. Michael Dawson and the whole Mecca team and Whirlwind team was there. Crystal My World was there. Ashane was there. Trust me, Keisha.
All right, so you had the,
Shauna,
more, but
everybody was there.
I have a question for you though. There's a lot of people, even Dufton asked it earlier, like, what was the rationale for you to do it now, Boxing Day, rather than even like a reggae month? Because, you'd expect...
Right. As there's always things happening behind the scenes, where you don't always. I chat a lot, but I do know when not to say, and it wasn't for me to say because what I expected was not what happened. But you learn as it go along, because they're saying everything in the dark will come to light. It really wasn't our intention to do any specific day, but Reggae Month would have been beautiful as it's dancehall. But guess what? We did the first one, so anybody else can follow back at me. So I'm okay with that. But next year, 24th, we will be doing it on the 29th of December. That's the last Sunday in December for 2024. So when you cancel, when you never hear about it.
All right.
No more on my phone call, may I come?
Yes, and what I did, all the pieces were pieces I wore in the 90s. They're iconic. So you have the slam condoms, which and I'm telling you, the representatives who wore the different outfits did it justice.
Beautiful.
So we had Murder, She Wrote, the gold that I'm in Shakadee Muslim Plies with.
Right.
Then there is one in the green where I perform with Supercat at Reggae Sunsplash. There is one set good like ice in a freezer. I was in Utah, below zero, in that outfit for the Dance Film Festival. And today, big up to my boss, Mr. Michael Dawson, we're having a birthday celebration for him at Mecca Nightclub tonight, which I'm telling you, one of the sweetest human beings and one of dancehall defenders.
Love that.
You have said that, you think outside the box.
Yes.
And you try to do stuff a little differently all the time, and set trends. Tell me, how do you see the future of dancehall?
It's in trouble. Let me be straight off. To me, it's in trouble. But where it's not in trouble is overseas. Jamaicans tend not to want to own what's ours. It's far too long that we're turning our nose up against dancehall. Any other genre can get their attention except for dancehall. So you have to fight so hard to promote dancehall.
Which is ours.
Which is ours. Reggae and dancehall is the only genre we own. The hip-hop and all of those is a birth out of dancehall. It's our offsprings. So I don't understand why we're throwing it away to take up something that's not ours.
Been saying it.
Right? Not to say, but there was a gospel concert in Manchester. 5 persons were shot. Do you owe gospel accountable for that? No, you don't. Because, but if it was a dancehall, every party in a Christmas doom, that has to do with dancehall. Right? It's unfortunate and it's unfair that our own culture that everybody else loves. I've been to Russia. I've been to an island outside of Italy called Sardinia. Dancehall I carry there.
Facts.
Holland, Japan, name it that I've been, and I didn't go as Carlene.
Facts.
I went as a Jamaican dancehall.
Carlene, quickly, we'll have to bring it back because we don't have enough time. Where can we find it on social media? Dancehall Queen Carlene on Instagram. You can go to Mecca on Instagram, and you'll have all the details you need. So it's Dancehall Carlene on Instagram, and you'll get everything. But as I said, I just want to thank all who came out. They had a good time. Can't wait for next year. And we do have sponsors. It just was a last minute. So we couldn't have all the sponsors. So
yeah, man, we're wishing you all the best for the year and next year. Dancehall Road March will be December 29th. We can't wait. You get hear it from now, 2024. May I tell you now? Thank you for joining us.
And I want to big up my nephew, Elijah. Happy birthday, Elijah.
Happy birthday, Elijah. Daytime, I'll be right back with a new music video from Jalil. You don't want to miss it.